As you can see, he is resting. Acha. He's been resting all day, which is a good thing because last night we did not sleep at all. He kept me up all night, did not want to be in his cage. He kept scraping the side of the cage, not crying, but scraping and scraping and scraping. He wanted to make sure that I knew he did not want to be in there. So I think we fell asleep about 3 o'clock in the morning. And I had a doctor appointment on the telephone at 7, so I woke up at 6. And I went for a walk this morning with him. I carried him in my sash. He did not walk. But the doctor said to put him down and let him walk a little bit. There's a nice stretch, Coley. Yes, that's a nice stretch. Yeah, little sore, but he's doing pretty good. Hasn't been moving around much, but every once in a while he has to jump on the chair or jump up and get on the bed, and I can't catch him when he does it because he does it so fast. We're on the second floor of the apartment, so I don't let him go up and down the steps. He's kind of getting used to the fact that I'm going to be carrying him around. So this is it for today, everybody. I'm just so grateful that he's still with us. Yeah, he's not like he used to be, but that's okay as long as I have my buddy and he's not in pain. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for all your love and your well wishes and your prayers. Until next time, everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.